I'm back with another trade recap. Today is Thursday, January 8th. I have not taken a trade all week. Um, I just haven't seen anything that was A plus, and I decided 2026 I'll be picky, patient, only wait for A plus setups, and just size good on those. There's no point in taking these like mid freaking setups. So I've been really picky in 2026, and yeah, also that's like when I felt most confident in my trading, when I was like picky, taking like 1 2 trades a week. So yeah, today was pretty good though. Definitely like one of the more obvious days this week. So I'm gonna just go over why I didn't take anything and what I wanted to see. So pretty much coming into market open, we have this is what it looks like. So we just swept this hourly high and are reacting, or not reacting yet, but like we're inside this hourly gap. So I want to see shorts. I want to see us react off this hourly gap and then catch a short to the draws on liquidity are we have London lows below, we have data low here, and then we have triple equal lows like here on the 1 minute. So beautiful draws on liquidity, draw on liquidities. I really don't know which one it is. Draws on liquidity or draw on liquidities. Let me know down below because I don't know. But very good draws. And the high time frame aligned, we would be reacting off this hourly gap and sweeping this hourly high. So this 5 minute inverse actually would have been good, but I just don't want to take a 5 minute inverse that is right before market open. We did end up getting it this next candle. So we got it right here. This is one of the best trades today. Definitely not the best, mainly because of the time, because it was like 9:25 or something when this entry triggered, and I just don't like taking trades right before market open. But yeah, overall trade was very, very textbook. I'd almost say if the momentum was better, I'd say A plus, but momentum wasn't really there, and like we were sort of chopping around this 5 minute gap for a little, but definitely a very, very, very good setup. What time was it at? Yeah, 9:24. So yeah, coming to market open, I wanted to see us just go up like anywhere, like maybe like just re-sweep this high real quick, and then still react off the hourly gap to the left. I want to see us re-sweep this high, and then get a short on this leg. This is pretty much what I want to see. Inversion on this leg and short. This would have been textbook, or even just like, I mean, yeah, that this is like the only way I would have taken a short, to be honest. So yeah, then just see what happens. Bang, we dump down, run straight to my TP. We were so close. I thought we were about to have it with this like 9:30 manipulation up. I thought we were about to keep going up, maybe make like a 30-second gap in here and get a short, but nope. We just dumped straight to TP. That's perfectly fine. No FOMO entering, none of that. Perfectly fine. I didn't get an entry. Like there weren't even any other like good entries. So yeah, nothing I could have really done there. And then here, at this point, I wanted to see how this 5 minute gap closed. Not 5 minute gap, this 5 minute candle closed. Because if this 5 minute candle closes like higher and has a bullish reaction to this 5 minute gap, then I'm bullish. If we inverse this 5 minute gap, I'm bearish. And then as you can see, we inverse this 5 minute gap with very nice displacement. So here, after that happens, I wanted to see us, boom, make a 5 minute gap here, get a retrace up to the 5 minute gap, and then catch a short targeting the London low here and then the hourly low here. So that's what I wanted to see once we inverse this 5 minute. Then let's see what happened. Boom. And then yeah, we just ran straight to TP once again. There's just no good entries. Like I could, well, no, I could like enter off momentum. Like, I don't know, man. Continuation traders have it so easy and I'm playing. If I was a continuation trader, I'd definitely lose more often than not. But it's just frustrating that there's no type inverses. But like there was an inverse up here, and like so I can't really complain. But yeah, I just wish we got like a retraced and inversion, but get what you get and you don't get upset. So we swept one in low there, and then what else happened? And then we kept going down. Then around here is, I'd say, the best setup of the day. The setup that I was closest to taking. Okay, yeah, right here. So pretty much we came down, we swept these hourly lows, this hourly low, these hourly lows. If you go to the 15-minute, we just swept out some triple equal lows, and we swept out this 15-minute low on the 15-minute. And then if you look on the 15-minute again, you see an unfilled 15-minute gap. So, and just looking at this leg, it is due for a retrace. So after sweeping these triple equals and making an unfilled 15-minute, it is a very strong liquidity pool to target is the unfilled 50-minute, because we should rebalance this leg. Even if we're bearish, we should still rebalance this leg, then go lower. So longs made really good sense here. I was actually going to take this 1 minute long, but we ended up sweeping this high beforehand, so I didn't, but this would have been my trade. This would have been my trade, target 1-to-1, TP at the unfilled 50-minute. There was an entry on the 3-minute because we inversed the 3-minute. Boom. So yeah, there was a 3-minute entry, but I don't know. I just didn't like it enough. I just didn't think it was A+ enough. Like, if I'm taking a mech long, that's like just sort of iffy. I'd want to see some other drawn liquidity. Like, I'd want to see like equal highs here, or like low resistance liquidity right here. I'd want to see some sort of other drawn liquidity, if that makes sense, not just the unfilled 50-minute. So yeah, that's why I didn't take it, but it did end up running to TP. So this was definitely the best trade of the day. Just a classic mech model long. I just didn't like what it's reacting off of as well. Like, I'd want it to react off like an important, prominent like low, like this low here, or like this low here, but like these lows are sort of just like cute lows, you know what I mean? So wasn't the biggest fan. It was definitely a good setup, but just didn't think it was A++, so stayed out. Simple as that. I'm just trying to build up my patience. Right now, I'm literally trading evals. I'm probably trading 4 evals right now. Pretty much January, I am just working on my patience, working on not thinking about the money, just working on waiting for A++ setups. Because if I build good habits this month, then once I'm on real money, real capital, well, technically not, but like once I'm on fundeds, then the patience will pay off. So yeah, and then I don't think there's anything else. I wanted to see a short here with all this low resistance liquidity we were building up. So I wanted to see us go up, tap this 5-minute gap that was right here, then get a short. Then I would have 100% taken this, but because I was still bearish overall. But as you can see, we just went through it with no entries. Made equal lows here. I also would have taken a short to them if we went up, but there just wasn't any good entries. So yeah, pretty much shot for the rest of the day. Let me get out bar replay. So yeah, that was Thursday. Haven't taken a single trade all week. That's perfectly fine. Just haven't seen anything A+. There's definitely trades that I liked, but just no good entries, so I stayed out. So simple as that. So that's probably going to be the end of the video. If you want to follow along with my trading journey, then make sure to join the free Discord, subscribe, like. Yeah, thanks for tuning in. Peace out.